We made it to Florida.
We're loving it.
And boy, oh boy, do we have a lot to share.
And we've got gators. We've got beaches.
And we've got amazing blue springs. We've got manatees and we've got monkeys. Did you know there are monkeys in Florida?
And we've got really, really big bugs. And we're living life on the St. Johns River.
And we're so excited to share all of our Florida RV life with you. But we've also got some more RV fixes. I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided life's way too short. So we sold our home and moved into a home on wheels. We are now in our second year and an even smaller RV, and along with Gracie and Jasper, we are crossing the country in search of new landscapes, experiences, and friends. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through full-time RV life. And till further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire. We've been in Florida just about a week. We've been getting settled in. We've got the service guys coming tomorrow to hopefully fix our bedroom slide. And we thought we would get out today and do a little exploring.
I'm trying to pick a show for the animals, and I'm not sure Attack of the Giant Leeches is a good option.
No. Do you want to watch Attack of the Giant Leeches while we're gone? No, I didn't think so.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Silver Springs. I mean, just get out and explore.
Be a good boy today. Don't bully sister while we're gone, okay? Just have a nap. Yeah, you're just gonna wait right there? Okay, good boy. You might have seen in some of our previous videos, we have a whole routine when we leave the pets. We have cameras so we can spy on them and make sure they're looking happy, sleeping. We have heat sensor controllers. We get the air set, and we also turn off the propane and turn off the water because, you know, anything can happen while you're gone, and we don't want water leaks or possible combustion. We're just overly cautious whenever we leave. We're super excited to check out Silver Springs. It is one of the largest artesian springs in the entire world, pumping out over 500 million gallons of water every day.
Admission was $2 a piece.
Okay, we have got to come back and kayak this river. It looks fabulous. As you know, in our previous videos, our kayak got stolen, so unless we find a new one before then, we'll just have to rent some and go down the river. It's beautiful. This is the Twin Oaks Event Center behind me. Be an awesome place for a concert. Kind of surprised to find that it is pet friendly. So you can bring your pets as long as they're on a leash, and even people who have their own boats or kayaks or canoes, they have dogs in them too. So that's pretty cool. Bring your pets, have a good time. Bring your kayak. A lot of movies were filmed here and shows, including The Creature from the Black Lagoon. I love that show. We might have to go back in memory lane and watch some of these shows that were filmed here before we come back and kayak. Yep, we're in Florida. We're loving it. But before we started having all of our adventures, we had to fix some more problems with this brand new Vanleigh.
The motor won't come out from the outside. The motor has to come out from the inside.
On our way to Florida, if you hadn't seen our last video, we started having problems with our slide. And we've actually been having problems with our slide for quite a while. It just got worse and worse and worse until we couldn't even open it.
The bed has been hopping ever since we started using it. And it'd be a little hop at the beginning and a little hop at the end that would kind of start to get it out of kilter, and eventually it would get kind of pinned up, and we'd go through the recalibration process with the Schwintek motor, but then it just got to the point where it didn't work at all.
So we spent, what, like a month with our bed in?
Yeah, very small bedroom.
And this is how we have to enter the bedroom when the slide's not working and our bodies are not young. And that's how we get in bed. And Scott sleeps there, so how I get out is like this.
Inchworm.
So I have gotten a little bit of an ab workout, which is needed these days. It blocks the washer dryer, it goes right up to the dresser, and it's really tight in there.
That's the only way to get to the motor on this side, is you got to go through the closet. I don't even know how you do it on that side. Can you tell?
Be very skinny.
Yeah. We had the mobile mechanics come out.
With Paradise RV, they are great. They've been out multiple times now.
We emptied out everything from underneath the bed.
So we're cleaning out all the blankets, the closet, because there's not a lot of room to work. We're assuming they're gonna need to squeeze in there somehow to get this thing open.
Too many clothes. Removed the bottom panel, and you could readily feel that the 2x6 construction underneath wasn't done properly, and it was catching on the rollers. The structure underneath here is 2x6s that they've stapled together, and the point where one 2x6 runs into another 2x6, there's like a 1/4 inch drop in between the two boards. So they need to be completely flush because they're going over a hard roller. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take these plates and we're going to seam them together to where they're completely flat underneath.
So Scott had to rebuild the underneath of the bed. Well, unfortunately, we can get the slide out and in, but not without a lot of trauma to the slide. And you can actually see on the slide track where something's scraping into the metal and leaving marks. Gracie's upset 'cause she doesn't know what's going on. Anyway, we'll talk to our mobile repair tech, and this may be something we have to actually take the whole track off or the slide apart, I don't know. Anyway, for now we have the bedroom out and we'll see what we can do. So obviously the 2x6 was hitting and catching the roller every time it came in and out, which was what the hop was that we were seeing all along, which inevitably threw the whole slide gears and all of that out of sync and caused some damage, which is why we couldn't get it in or out anymore.
So once again, Vanleigh's been really good about shipping us parts promptly, and they went ahead and sent the entire Schwintek assembly. Okay, so now we just need to call the mobile techs and get it on the schedule.
Today is the day, we hope. Cross your fingers. The guys at Paradise Mobile RV are coming to hopefully fix it all for us. So maybe we could be done with projects for a while and start having some adventures.
For the umpteenth time, we're gonna remove everything from underneath the bed, everything from in the closet, and we're gonna get to the bottom of this shenanigans with this slide. We were a little concerned at first because you basically have to remove the slide from all connection to get this work done. You know, they brought out a jack, they used 2x6s to hold the slide room up, and it's a big slide room. It's a 36-inch deep slide room, so very impressed with how they did that right here in place, and so far so good, knock on wood.
And then we also had a leak coming down through the bathroom. I was up at 2:30 in the morning because I heard the sounds of drip, drip, drip. And sure enough, coming from our bathroom vent. So the mobile techs discovered that not just our vent over the toilet was cracked.
Turned out the shower dome was cracked at every point that it was screwed down.
We had those replaced and sealed and made sure there was no water damage on our roof from the leaking.
So the light at the end of the tunnel? I don't know, we're gonna find out.
And after we got all that fixed, we had the repair guys look at our main awning because we've never been able to get that work properly. It would go out and not come in. Well, they took one look at it and found out that our awning is bent, has a big bend in the middle.
Huge dent in it, and then if you look down the end of it right through here, you can see where the whole tube is warped, which will cause the awning to bind going in and out.
So we are now waiting for a brand new awning, and then we'll have Paradise RV come back out yet again to replace another part. So stay tuned, because in between repairing RV, we have been getting out on some fun adventures. We've had some family come into town, and we're really excited to share it all with you. Wait till you see the monkeys. We have someone's phone going on.
I think we should do
We have bloopers.
Holy cow. We're in Florida and we have huge bugs. I'm uncovering the bicycles. I don't even know what this thing is. It's like a giant green grasshopper. I don't know. Tell me. That was stupid.
Are you scared? Don't know what's going on? You don't know what's going on? And be able to walk into the bedroom instead of leaping into the bed. It'll be nice. My body will appreciate it too. You like literally had to go into the closet. So here we are in the closet, AKA living room.
And we're loving it.
Thank you, Paradise Mobile RV. We appreciate you guys. I'll put their info below in case you need some help too. Because I know there's a lot of people out there with these new rigs having a lot of problems.